At LAROSA Machinery, quality is never left to chance. For nearly 3 decades, we've delivered high-performance manufacturing solutions to customers across the UAE, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and beyond. Building our reputation through precision, reliability, and trust. But before any machine carries our name, it has to earn it. Before every shipment, every machine undergoes rigorous factory testing by our experienced engineers. We don't just switch it on, we operate it. We inspect it, we calibrate it, we push it to perform. Every axis, every motor, every sensor, every cut, every forming operation, every single detail is tested, inspected, and verified to ensure flawless performance. Because when your machine arrives, it shouldn't need adjustments. It should be 100% ready for production. We know every hour of downtime costs money. That's why we never compromise on quality. And that's why manufacturers across dozens of countries continue to place their trust in LAROSA Machinery. Precision tested, performance verified, globally trusted. LAROSA Machinery, trusted since 1996.